The rig I'm about to show you is made with anti-tangle knots, which means it will help you catch more fish than classic rigs. Get your materials ready and start building it step by step with me. As I always say, using fluorocarbon line increases your chances of catching fish, because fluorocarbon is both invisible and flexible underwater. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. This glow bead, especially in dark or murky waters, attracts the fish's attention and also acts as an air cushion between the sinker and the swivel. With its two-hook design, this rig has a much lower chance of tangling with the main line, compared to traditional rigs, and it's truly a highly effective setup. You can use it as a bottom rig with an egg sinker, or add a float to turn it into a float rig. In the video description, you'll find more details about this rig, and links to my playlists that will help you improve your fishing skills. If you believe more hooks mean more bites, then make sure to check out the 3 hook rig setup shown on the screen.